Hey guys, my name is Olia and I am a style and beauty blogger here today to show you guys my favorite ways to layer jewelry using some of my favorite Brighton pieces. So let's get right to it. So to begin, I always say to consider the neckline of your top. Think of the cut of your top as a frame for your necklaces. I also like combining necklaces with different chain lengths to give you that cascade effect. I've chosen two necklaces with the same geometric shape, which isn't always required, but today I wanted to do that. Both chains were slightly different, which I feel gives a little bit more texture. And finally, earrings to me always complete the look, so I chose a pair of earrings with the same shape to complement the necklaces. So now I've changed into a crew neck basic white tee so you guys can see how to accessorize jewelry with a different top. I've chosen this super delicate and beautiful necklace to add first, and then I wanted to follow it with a longer necklace. This one has a light pink gem right inside of it, which I feel will add a little extra pop to my basic shirt. The last necklace had a slight flower detail, so when I found these studded flower earrings, I knew that they would be perfect for this look. So now that I've shown you how to layer with your necklaces, let's go ahead and move on to the bracelets. To begin, I'm starting off with this gorgeous bangle bracelet, then layering with this blue stretch bracelet to add a bit of colors. And sometimes if we're wearing something plain, you just want to add a little touch of something. I love that it has a silver gold detailing right in the middle, which ties everything together. And finally, I added this feather bracelet for something fun and different. Gold is my absolute favorite to wear, and I always say there is absolutely nothing wrong with mixing metals. I always feel success to layering bracelets is to add two more chunky bracelets and one delicate to complete the look. So that's exactly what I've done here, and I love how it turned out. Last but not least, let's talk about layering like bangles together. There's really no right or wrong way of doing so, just a variety of different bangles works. I really like picking different sizes and different weights and just alternating them to see how they fit. When I wear something like a denim jacket or blazer, I like to roll the sleeves up and just pile on the bangles. It really dresses up any look instantly. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some helpful tips on how to accessorize and layer your jewelry.